Yeguswa yedi ebronya no World Athletics Championship no senia Luther King edi kind 2 manim na Enra day 3 ene day 4 na Enra day 3 no hon sem na say na timu say neoma ekoso kama day 3 na ankasa ni Sami was like this we read na MSC corner na say I mami Shelley Fraser Price no compete in the 100 meters final 36-year-old pocket madam a friend of pocket rocket now human no onya medal was a race no munra no about the most decorated athlete ever in the history of the World Athletics Championship or the Bako Upper Usain Bolt one na no ho komo e won random enra schedule na nkasa ahwemu a say na enra schedule no so esitie. It was a beautiful schedule of events on a day. Pole vault 400 meters pole vault na qualification 400 meters hurdles ni who hit 400 meters hurdles semi-finals. You would triple jump 110 meters hurdles semi-final, and then the final 100 meters semi-final, and then the final 400 meters semi-final. Ntiano and the name say imu edi pa nenya sem ketwa. Now Obibeka say let's look at the highlights of yesterday's wins. And Ramon winning in Kakra.
World title. Lyles took the men's title. Richardson has stormed to the women's title.
In general, name say imu edi pa. Now to the individual activities. Sene beya bibia ebetimi akon kind na eni jabe fie. Yensha say e the discuss through. Discuss. That's all time na kama more as a community to be because otwa enko good. Nah, there be ultimate to be. Ultimate to be.
And in the size, no.
Ultimate to be.
And I'm say, I know.
Ultimate to be.
I know. Obia,
the others was him insane.
Obia know what to discuss our any height.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And me scansi so say, ni okano. And you say bia obune nimtia.
Me da si.
But I'm here for discuss. You remember pa.
Na nyami wa ye mu yiye. Ultimate to. SOMPA. And right, eko jina mu na ede hye so no. Daniel Stoll from Sweden. Ono and a winning year 2019 ono and a winning discus through no Doha and obe lusu to Slovenian Christian Che Oregon last year. This year Daniel Stoll ebai our be winning, and you could see that Daniel Stoll did not just win nitro of 71.46 no mira ebe a new championship record and your world record and your Olympic record. Nemum say about World Athletics Championship discuss through obi anu wa to discuss no amanawa esin the one and only Daniel Stoll of Sweden. Uhemwa odika toyi ena Christian Che no defending champion ebetwa no the last row ano wo no ena Daniel Stoll ejam ojamu say we en no ainisa utumu kese Christian Che no afi ono opportunity because on so we adwuma no.
Yes.
Na ayen sembebre. Now the good thing about this discuss through Enra and say Daniel Stoll a championship record. Christian Che enya silver. Near Odi Ted no usapa. Now your friend Michaelis Alekna. Niema nasem sunkone say it's all bronze wa. Of Lithuania. I hear friend is a Vilnius mu. Ne papa de Virgilius Alekna. Ne papa ye 3 times Olympic champion. Discuss through mu. Inti obedi ni papa de anisa. Stoll wanyini Christian Che from Slovenia aba kwaku enche bia. Edin Michaelis Alekna in discuss through athleticism no beti because oya kraketwa. Senye pra because e honu ntimi nko lazy ne papa ho.
Yes.
E den a wa beje baton. So betimi atwa ne papa de nyame nko anenim, but he has a lot of years ahead of him. 12 years 3 Olympics.
Yes.
So the Beyonce this boy could replicate his father's. If you on the about track no so. Ye ba track no so no na nyoma ekoso kama 110 meters hurdles final. Na ye didn't na wie no Grant Holloway from US 1 2 3 Doha, Oregon, Budapest. The last 3 championship ni na no Grant Holloway na winning. na Grant Holloway winning wie no who saw ye ne nsamiensa sei no the check camera no che say waja to aso 3 na the ema victory we ye ne deck ese ne say nipa OBT no Hansel Parchment or your Olympic champion OBT Grant Holloway Tokyo.
Oh, okay.
Na sa Mika we no ne da chesha akra bia friend say Rashid Broadbell ninsem or Jamaican. Omo to hit no otetoy. So he could not make the semi-final nor the final. But the future of this event is in the hands of Rashid Broadbell from Jamaica. But the present belonged to Grant Holloway. He nicknamed the Flamingo.
Yes.
Until the 12.96 no gave him the championship ahead of no only teammate on any practice Daniel Roberts and then Hansel Parchment. Roberts and I saw trouser bako and a nika bako.
Yeah.
So America have a replacement for Grant Holloway in Daniel Roberts, but for Jamaica, Hansel Parchment will be around for the next championship. But the future for that belongs to Rashid Broadbell. In 110 meters hurdles, remember, na Grant Holloway, 3-time champion. Wajat was consecutive.
Yes.
2019 Qatar, 2022 Oregon, 2023 Budapest. Yanko back to the field events. Yanko long jump, memano. Now, again, the present here, yebeka wasem, near ka future no wasem, send be out di ni bi akira enya nwanwa. Nipa mebeka no wasem, friend Fabrice Hooks Zango. Oye Burkina Faso ni, Ote France, oye electrical engineer.
Oye electrical engineer. Oh, okay. 2019
Doha, onya bronze. Last year, Oregon, USA, onya silver. This year was Budapest. We try Cuba for me, Martinez. Ababeji gold into a complete set.
I don't know. I've neither Oba winner. Next year we improve economy.
Sa pepe
or the economy sa.
Sa pepe. Into Christian Napolis and Lazaro Martinez of Cuba. NAB second. Name the champion here. Burkina Faso. Omo gold medal. Burkina Faso. Mosifo nya medal. They are sure mo kama you be bought the national anthem wo Fabrice Zango wa in the juma until you are completely set no or medal BAB in the high long jump. Now this is the present. Kweku nipa na nkobema the problem. Your friend Jaden Hibbert.
Yes.
With Jamaica. I failed all university first year.
But that crowd be job omo kana sempa.
He's that good.
Omo kana sempa.
Kweku no lead no pride. Jaden Hibbert is that good.
Hibbert, yeah.
He is that good.
Well, but Muzana Luther born interview no kaze or no sir. They are singing, you know, they are said that when I'm a pedi womb neighbor. As anything be also serious.
Yeah, dear film. This is part of the Reniache Papa.
18 years.
He is that good. And Jamaica, aside sprint, no, they are shifting into the field.
I don't Rabi Biabi.
Most of you are the coffee.
SOMPA Sports.
Nambeche Republic, you name that a benya be tia train yame, Namibe, Nabibia Timia Conkai de Amay. Mura, the event of the night, the close who are growing in Ano, was the 100 meters final. Na Iri and Shakari Richardson are winning. Na Ocean near course of semi final no more. Nobody gave her the chance. Kwaku, to 10.65 seconds for the 100 meters. A championship record for the 23-year-old. The first time at the World Championship ni. The first time at the major world event ni.
Wow.
Now take it off no by 50 seconds no akem. Inti Sherika Jackson the favorite. On him Marie Jose Marie Talou. They were coasting. But we only answer Shakai free lane 9. Sherika Jackson were
Sports.
But that was a flawless last 50 meters. First 50, no, the start was poor. But the last 50 was typical Shakari. Kwaku, she is that good. She is that good. Nyamama say a world champion in her own right. No a catchy. No a catchy, but look, she really powered her way through. Na yade only the coach, her friend said Dennis Mitchell. Or much of that tenacity ashishe. Until after the race, no only Dennis Mitchell the coach no omotio edin komo. Dennis Mitchell coach no was embracing the girl. Just say only the coach na can boom den they were na na nije. Because this is their plan. So that no matter the situation, on pushing the last 50, even in the semi-final, okay, but she found a winning power, and it was beautiful. Here you saw Shellyan Fraser Price. Omujina wa no mo bon komo kama na bibia eko kama, but I mean she deserves her glory and she be no cover we my no so be kaya ntinane e be bona baso ya de pa, but a lot of credit must go to Dennis Mitchell. Yeah, absolutely.
He's a world champion, an Olympic.
Dennis Mitchell.
Yes.
No, we have a picture of Mitchell and the lady. But it was beautiful. It was that beautiful. It was.
Wow.
So baby ordinary Bruno. It was great. Kweku. Nano and Chebiani who said nka Netherlands echo when he good.
Yeah.
And a Femca ball at top form. Now Femca ball top form na ya hosem. That was day one. Yes, na Femca ball cry. The NC. Or top form na rehwaba. Femca ball at top form o ye be den yo Femca ball at top form o.
SOMPA Sports.
Jene nyina ye hwe ni mu ne se Femca ball reaction ben na odebema. Femca ball, what reaction would she give? The reaction in say if you say Mikasha see in heat 400 meters hurdles no obi enu a to that time no two nani bi. Picture na buy answer na we ba no who say na onam hurdle no, so if you see it again kwaku to 50.32 seconds. Ni wofu.
Ne bu
na nneoma ekwan na da omo nneoma ka ne ntem no
ewa.
So the say ewura final no ma
ACBC.
The world record could come down. Enra, you 400 meters hurdles, mema. Way off record. Jeff, Jamaica for no friend Roshan Clark. On the right Benjamin.
Yeah.
Dos Santos, Brazil, you know.
Dos Santos is solid.
And then the main man himself, Casting Varom. They will bring the world record down. It's so obvious. Because Varom no more good
Sports.
Right Benjamin is a solid guy. Even on the 400 flat or a solid. We hurdles in Ifriwa. In the 400 flat, no hiding.
Good times.
Roshan Clark no L under 20 record in 400 meters hurdles. Now no time with 2 years. And then Alison Dos Santos. Or Omunina be pushing. And Sami can be decided in the last 150.
Yo mate, ocha, minimizo obesa bana odi update awdo na baba be rabtino. Bana the World Athletic Championship because